Birdie! Welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram handle somewhere here. And for tonight's video, we are going to be reviewing Allure Beauty Box for March. Because I am always a month late, because I get these late, and that's okay, because we're still going to review it. I don't know how much longer I have for this subscription, but as long as I keep getting them, I will review them. So Allure Beauty Box was $10, $15, I don't remember, but now the price has increased to $20, I believe. I'll put everything in the description box below. And you get full and deluxe sizes with this kit. So let's just dive into it and see what we got in March's month. Okay, so they give you a little pamphlet so you can go through and see what the people that create this box, how they use the products on their skin. And there's also retail value for everything. So the first thing in here I see is a Brightening Booster. Okay. So it's 111 Skin Brightening Booster. I got a new camera, by the way. Yay! Because my other camera was just not working. Okay, so here's the product here. There we go. 111 Skin. It says Harley Street, London. Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Okay, so this would be really good for your skin. I wonder if it smells. Oh, it smells like vitamin C too. Oh, it has a really lovely smell. So it's just like a clear serum type. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, it smells so good. Vitamin C, a star of my skincare routine. Not only does it help treat signs of existing damage, like fine lines, dark spots, but because of its antioxidant, it also proactively protects skin from the environmental surroundings. This is going to be a really great product to use, especially whenever we are able to go out again. But I'm going to use it because I do have a lot of like little blemishes and things and just like imperfections that I could always use. Like especially I have dark spots. That's just how my skin is, and like when you have different pigments in your skin, you just develop that over time. So I will give this a go and see how it works. Okay. And this retails for $155. What? It smells really good. So we will give this a go and see how it works. Okay, so the next item we got was an Ico Double Act Shadow Stick. Ico Double Act Shadow. So Ico Double Act Shadow Stick. This is this here. Okay, this color is already too light for me, and I don't know if I will use this. Here's the colors here. It's the dark color there, and this is the light color here. I think I will put this in my next giveaway box because I will not use this. It says, how do you make a smoky eye look naturally messed up opposed to a train wreck? I could do smoky eyes with dark shadows. I don't need something like this to do smoky eye. So I'm gonna put this in one of my next giveaways. And it also comes with a cute sharpener. So this will go for a giveaway. I'm just not interested in products like this. Sorry, it's not what I need. Okay, and this retails for $25. Just not interested in products like that. Okay, so the next item is this B. Glen Clay Wash Mild Cleanser. I like that it has a little package too, because it also gives you instructions on the back on how to use it. And this is a deluxe size. As you can see, it's kind of small. Okay, so this natural clay is a creamy formula that acts like a vacuum for impurities and excess sebum, making it extremely effective for those who produce a lot of oil, wear lots of makeup. Okay, so this is gonna work great because in my T-zone, that is where I am the oiliest, the most, and my nose. Oh, girl, I hate it. But she's like wearing mask, like all the oils always build up around my nose and it's just disgusting. So that would be great to use on my T-zone area. I will give this a go too. So 2 out of 3 products, not bad. Looks like I'm getting more skincare in this box than I am anything else, but that's okay. Alright. I got 1 makeup item and I can't even use it because it's not what I like. Oh wait, I lied. This next item, I didn't see this in here. I got another Pixi item. I like Pixi. Pixi, please sponsor me one day when I get more people. That would be nice. My work from home routine is extremely minimal for a person who typically leaves the house with random shapes or animals painted around her eyes. Oh, that's cute. Okay, before hopping on Zoom, I usually tie up my hair in a messy bun. So this is something she uses. It's a lip glow. Pixi by Petra. And this is in the color Ruby. This I will use because I do like Pixi products a lot. Let's see if we can get her out. Oh, it has a mint. Has a mint kind of smell. Okay, so it's kind of like a lip gloss. I like it because it's thick too. So it gives you just enough, a hint of a tint. This is really nice. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I like this. The product retail for $14. 4 out of 5 products. Good. Okay. So this is the Ivana Mineral Hand Cream. A single application lasts for hours. It contains witch hazel for when eczema reoccurs, and it smells light and foresty. 2 thumbs up. So it's just a very luxurious hand cream. It's very thick and it feels really good and it smells really good. And I'm guessing this is a deluxe size, and the bigger size retails for $24. Okay, that's not too bad. We always get creams and stuff with these boxes. Okay, the last item I am kind of excited to try because it's a mud masky serum infused eye mask. Okay, I'm gonna actually try this tonight and see how this works. This girl, she said she has naturally dark circles under her eyes, so she always wants to make sure the part of her mug is well taken care of. This under eye mask runny gel feels cooling as you tap it on. I guess you leave this eye mask under your eyes for 8 minutes and you rinse it off. Okay, I wonder if it smells. Let's see if it smells, if there's a little cap. Okay, there's one of those little cap thingies on it. And this retails for $56. Oh. I don't want to take it out now. We'll try it later. Okay, yeah, it does have kind of an earthy smell to it. Okay, so I got, how many products did I get in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this time we got 6 products. I'm not mad at it. I do like I said, I like these boxes because you get to try different products. You see what works for your skin. You see what works for you. And if something doesn't work, you can give it away, or you just don't recommend it or anything. So that was everything in my Allure Beauty Box for March. This video will be a little bit late, and I apologize about it, but you know, when you got things going on, you got things going on, and it's okay. So that was it for tonight's Allure Beauty Box review. Allure Beauty Box, just like all of them, they're all hit or miss. Like, some people get amazing things in their beauty boxes, and some people they don't. But for the most part, I think I do enjoy reviewing them. I would like to get sponsored one day, but I just have to keep on at it and keep on going, because that's the only way you're gonna progress and you're gonna go far, is if you just keep at it every day. Every day is still a struggle. Like, I have good days and I have really bad days, and you know, just like anybody else, but I just have to keep at it every day. Oh, my Jaclyn Hill highlighter giveaway is closed, and I messaged the winner and I sent her her products. Please don't be discouraged if you didn't win. I will be having more giveaways coming up, as long as I can get them together. I'm going to be rearranging my entire beauty room space, so this entire setup is going to be different. I love my little 3 shelves here, but you can't really see the other shelves, so you only see 2 shelves. I'm going to be just reorganizing everything. Just this entire room is such a freaking mess, and it makes me not even want to come in here and film because it's just been a disaster. But I slowly, each day, will get it together, get my life together. I want to be taking more Instagram photos. There's a group of girls that always takes amazing quality product photos, and I will link all of them here so you guys go follow them, my friends on Instagram. And that is it for tonight. I will be doing a couple more hauls coming up probably this week, and I'll get them out to you guys. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, follow me on Instagram, and that is it for tonight's review, and I will see all you birdies later. So I wish you all a very great evening, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody.